eyeshadow palette. HM. Is something missing? Let me check. This side looks fine. Empty.
Blush.
It's supposed to be brush.
Dekat dalam ke?
Nothing inside box.
Empty.
It's here. Lipstick color so nice. This packaging looks premium. It's loose setting powder. Let me demo foundation for you guys. Ha 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 ha. It's new, so yeah. Takes some time. Okay, finally. So smooth. Easy to blend well. 1, 2, 3. Both are highlighter. 1, 2, 3. Oil control press powder. 2-in-1 eyeliner. Gel eyeliner. Liquid eyeliner. Not bad. What is it? Is glitter liquid eyeliner? It's gold color. 1, 2, 3. Lip tint, lip oil. Setting spray. Again, since it's new. Okay, got it. Ultrafine mist and smell so good. Dual head makeup brush. For eyeshadow. For eyebrow. Grab them today. You also can walk into our showroom to test it out. Thank you for watching.